Haven't received your tax refund yet? Don't worry, you can track your tax refund easily in two ways. In this video, we will tell you how you can do it. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Income Tax e-filing portal at incometaxindiaefiling.gov.in and log into your account. The link is also given in the description below. Step 2. Click on View Return or Forms. Now select Income Tax Return from the drop-down menu and click Submit. Step 3. Once you submit, you will see your current and past income tax returns. Step 4. Click on the current year acknowledgement number and your refund status will be displayed on the screen. Now let me take you through the second way with which you can check your income tax refund status. Step 1. Go to the NSDL Portal. The link is also given in the description below. Step 2. Enter your PAN number, select the assessment year from the drop-down, enter the CAPTCHA code showed on the screen in the text box and click Submit. You will see the status of your refund along with the date. If you have any more queries on how to check your refund status, drop us your questions in the comments. We will be happy to help you. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family to improve their tax savings. Subscribe to H&R Block India by clicking the red button below to get more information about personal finance, GST and saving taxes. Check out these videos as well, and when in doubt, always remember, tax se mat daro, H&R Block ke saath chalo.